Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us for this virtual press conference ahead of tomorrow's game against Chennai Super Kings. हमारे साथ हमारे assistant coach Mr. Mohammad Kaif है, who will be taking your questions. As always, आप अपनी questions chat box में type out कर देना, and we will pick up questions from there, and I will address it to Kaif bhai, and he will be taking your questions. So we'll start with the first question, Kev bhai. This is from Kushan from the Press Trust of India, and he is asking about Ashwin's status, and if Mishi bhai Amit Mishra will be a pick for tomorrow's game, given the boundaries are going to be large.
Yeah, that's the plus point, especially in this squad. We got the replacement ready, but Ashwin is going for practice today, and we haven't taken a call that he is he whether available or not. So we will be going for practice and see how it goes. We are of course monitoring him very closely, him and Ishan Sharma both. But yes, like you said, if he is not fit to play tomorrow, of course Mishra is a very experienced player, has been doing well in IPL. So yes, we got the replacement hopefully.
Okay. Next question we have, Kev bhai, is from Ganesh from Crick Buzz, and Ganesh पूछ रहे कि काफी सारे injuries इस बार field में already हम देख चुके हैं IPL में. So what do the players have to be and be mindful on grounds like this one, जहाँ पे below the grass there is also a lot of sand?
Yes, soft tissue injuries will take place a lot because after long layoff, players are coming back and trying to give their best shot on a sand-based ground, which is not easy. We are not used to it. Body is not used to it, so it's totally different. And it's a big ground, so there are lots of running involved, lots of running, sprinting, which probably don't match in training session. Training session is about batting, bowling, and a bit of fielding, but intensity is not that much compared to match day. So that's why I feel going to be a tough one on the players this year.
Right. Next question from Vishesh from ANI, and this is about the batting combination. And he's asking about the opening pair of Prithvi Shaw and Shikhar Dhawan, which we had for the first match. How flexible is the team going to be about opening combinations? And if Ajinkya Rahane would be in the mix of things as far as our batting lineup is concerned?
Yeah, Shaw and Shikhar played well last year for us, gave us a very good start in the power play. Very exciting player, Prithvi Shaw, and we all know what Shikhar Dhawan can do in this tournament in the IPL. And having playing the first, having played the first game, we know the condition. Even though we didn't play our best in the first game, but I can see a big improvement from here on. Now we have a couple of days off. We could plan things. We went to practice, and we had chance to we had spoken to the boys how they felt about the first game. But yes, like you said, Rane is a fantastic player, but we think that if we want to give the chance, if we pick the best team, we would like to stick with that for a couple of matches and see how it goes from there.
Next question, Kev bhai, is from Abhishek Purohit, and he's saying, apart from the first match, all matches have been won by the side that has batted first. Are the teams expecting more due than there actually is, or are the sides not chasing well so far?
Yeah, so this year IPL is totally different. It's a different pitch, different ground. That's why the stats of past might not tell you the best story. You have to assess the condition and see how the tournament is going. Maybe in the future, you might find a team winning toss and start to bat first, because if it's a big ground, if people are not able to chase target, they might change tactics. But yes, due is there. But like I said, it's a different pitch, so maybe due factor is not that much at the moment. Like I said, also players are coming back after a long time, so they are not in touch with the game so much. It might take them a while to get going. But yes, like you said, stat might not be a great factor here. It's a different tournament altogether in UAE.
Right. काफी सारे questions केव भाई आ रहे हैं on Ishant also. So if you could share with everyone on Ishant's monitoring and Ishant's status.
Ishan had gone to the ground yesterday. He had a good run. He did a bit of sprinting. He didn't bowl. He is under observation. Patrick Farhat, our physio, has been keeping close eye on him, and also the management. But about his playing the match, we will take a call today. We have practice in the evening, and we will see how it goes. But yes, he had a run yesterday.
Okay. एक और question था केव भाई, and this is fielding related. Do you think high catching has been difficult so far because of the lights? And is there any extra emphasis on fielding drills ahead of tomorrow's CSK game?
It's more awareness, it's a big ground, so lots of running involved, lots of sprinting involved, and when you feel at the big ground, you have to cut those angles. That's going to be the big factor, I guess, especially in UAE, especially in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. Sharjah, it's not a big ground. Seeing the first game, but yes, Abu Dhabi and Dubai, you need to be very agile and fit as a fielder. We have been doing lots of training. We had spent almost 2-3 weeks here practicing hard with the boys, fielding, batting, bowling. But yes, fielding is something it takes a while to get back into the game. But I'm sure in the next match you'll see a big change from the first game.
The next question is from Prajakta. Prajakta asks, the thought of the wicket being on the slower side and conducive to spin was being talked about before the tournament, but it did not look like so far the matches that we have seen. Your thoughts on that?
Yeah, I mean, lots of fast bowling at the moment. Team are actually giving a go to the fast bowlers first in the first 6 over, trying to pick wickets early on with the hard ball, with the new ball, and then accordingly they bring a spinner, seeing the situation in the game. But yes, there's a grass on the pitch. There's something for the fast bowlers. So that's been the tactics so far for each and every team. Bring their fast bowler first and the spinners later. India is totally different. You like to use your spinners in the power play and the fast bowlers at the maybe they work together. But here is most for fast bowling because of the condition, the pitch assisting the fast bowling, I guess.
In these pitches, Kev bhai, this is Arani from Times of India. He's asking, there have been a few high-scoring games. So, par score क्या होगी यहाँ पे?
Par score, I guess, at the moment 160, 170, but ground like Sharjah, you might see big scores because the ground is not that big compared to Abu Dhabi and Dubai. But in Abu Dhabi and Dubai, you will see improvement also from the batters because they haven't played many matches for last couple of months. So few players looked a bit rusty, and that was expected. But I feel in couple of matches they'll get there, and you'll see probably high scoring matches too, around 180, 190.
Right. We'll take a few more questions. Kev bhai, this one's from Lakshman Prabhu. He's asking, Marcus Stoinis was a revelation at the top of the order in the Big Bash. So can we see him also if there is an opportunity at the top of the batting?
Yeah, that might happen too. Marcus has been playing for his country for a long time now. He's very experienced. And we need someone like him to probably, if situations demands, he might go up in the order, and of course bat number 6. So we have the option with him because he can float, and we needed someone like him with the experience he has. He's a perfect match for our team to float around and do the job for the team.
Okay. This one has come from multiple people, so I'll put it together. Your thoughts on an opponent like Chennai Super Kings? That was the only team that Delhi Capitals did not have a win against in the 2019 season. Your thoughts this year in the first game against CSK?
oh, it's going to be a different ball game altogether. I mean, like I said, stat might not give a proper picture, real picture in this IPL. That happened year and a half ago. That means 16 months ago, how he played against CSK. This is a different tournament. Player haven't played much. Uh, some might come in form much earlier. Some might take a bit longer to compare to others. That's going to be the case in this tournament. And we are having a very different squad also. We bought some new players in the auction. So compared to last year, we are a different Delhi Capitals team this year. So that's why I'm saying the how we played last year against CSK, nothing to do in this IPL, I guess. And having played first game, we had a chance to look at the condition, and we're gonna be playing even better how we played in the first game.
Last couple of questions. This one is totally up your alley because ये fielding के बारे में है. So the question is, how has the fielding sessions been concerning the due? The major role that due has had to play. उस हिसाब से fielding sessions को किस तरीके से adjust किया गया है?
नहीं, जब हम यहाँ आए थे तो इतना ड्यू नहीं थी, करीब 1 महीने पहले. पर अभी लास्ट वन वीक या 10 डेज से काफी ड्यू, एक बहुत बड़ा चेंज आ गया है यहाँ पर वेदर में, कंडीशन में, कि शाम में जैसी 6-7 बजता यहाँ ड्यू आ जाता है ग्राउंड पे. पर मैच का ग्राउंड था वहाँ इतना ड्यू नहीं था. कंपेयर टू आईसीसी एकेडमी जो है वहाँ काफी ड्यू है, वो खुला ग्राउंड है. तो फील्डिंग ऑफ कोर्स थोड़ा मुश्किल हो रही है, ग्राउंड फील्डिंग स्पेशली, क्योंकि बॉल गीला होता है और थोड़ा हैवी भी हो जाता है, तो बॉल थोड़ा प्लेयर्स को लगती भी है हाथ में. तो वो थोड़ा सा कि इंजरी भी ना हो, वो भी हमें देखना होता है कि ज्यादा हार्ड और टफ ट्रेनिंग ना हो कि प्लेयर इंजर्ड हो जाए. पर यस, as a player you need to find ways to be a better fielder in the game.
And we can take this as one last question. Kev bhai, CSK 6 days में अपनी third game खेलने वाली है कल, and Delhi Capitals का second game होगा after a 4-day break. क्या इसकी वजह से टीम को कोई advantage मिलेगी because of the long break in between two matches?
I'm not sure. I think on the day you have to really play well. All the teams in this tournament, सभी बराबर की टीम है, सभी strong टीम है, और अभी अर्ली फेज है टूर्नामेंट का. पर आई थिंक पर्सनली, इफ यू आस्क मी, आई थिंक दिस 3-4 days break for us probably was a good thing, because we had a chance to go to the nets and talk to the boys and plan for the next game, seeing the condition at Dubai, having played already one match against Punjab. So I feel ये 3-4 दिन का ब्रेक हमें थोड़ा सा फायदा मिलेगा इसका.
All right. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining, and thank you for sending in your questions. Kev bhai, thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
We will send you a recording of the responses as soon as we're done with it. Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you.